Hi, so in this video I want to look at 4 ways to identify the lowest value in a list. Okay, so these numbers are here. I'm just going to select them and I'm just going to go down to the status bar down here. Okay. Now the thing is that I can't see min on that list, so I need to do a right click down here in this one and then I just tick on minimum. And now when I highlight my numbers here and I just go down to here, there's my min of 65. Okay, so I know that's the highest value. So just put 65 up here. That's the first way. The second way is I can use it from what I call the usual suspects one up here. So just come up here to home. And then I just go across here to auto sum. Click beside it. And there, see there's min, which is the lowest value. Got the marching ants going around and I just press enter. Okay. Again, there it is. Just delete that out. 65 again. The third way I could do is I could use conditional formatting. So I just highlight my numbers. I just go up here to home. I go to conditional formatting. And I just go to top bottom rules. And this time I just go down to bottom 10 items. And again, don't be distracted by the fact that it says bottom 10. I can just click on bottom 10 here. And if I just change this 10 to a 1, and I can change the color here if I want to, I might just change to a yellow fill, click OK. You see that it gives me 65 again. And maybe the fourth and easiest way to do it is just do a simple sort. So if I just come up here to data, and then I can come over here, let's say for example to A to Z, which will put the smallest to largest. So just this one here. You see that it puts 65 up at the top. Right. So I hope you found this useful. Just 4 ways for you to identify the lowest value in a list. Take care, mind yourself, bye.